Hi everyone, today I'll be showing you how to make our winter forest wreath. So when you open the box you will find your flowers, a wreath base, some ribbon, some gold wire, and you'll also need a pair of scissors. Start by attaching your ribbon and creating a loop so that you can hang it on your wall. Next up, I'm taking this pampas grass and separating all of the tiny strands so that we can add them to our wreath. And then next I'll be taking some nigella, a piece of asparagus fern and some phalaris, and we're going to create small bundles of these flowers. We're just going to create some small bunches and bind them together using our wire. So you can do this with all of your flowers until you've run out. Next, we're going to take the wreath base and attach all of the small bunches we just made, just by using the wire that came with your pack. So you can keep doing this, just add the next piece on top of the last one that you placed, just like so. I'm creating a half wreath, so these two sprays will go in different directions. Then we're going to wire our pine cones by wrapping the wire into the grooves and creating a double leg mount and then hooking it onto the base and securing it to the back. And it's as easy as that. Thank you so much for watching and we will see you in the next one.